So what do you know about scope creep? And what are the reasons that can lead your project to a scope creep? And how you can avoid a scope creep in a project?
So scope creep is, it mainly occurs when your project is, you're unable to complete the project within the budget that has been assigned, or within the time frame in which you were intended to initially work on the task. So usually it occurs when you haven't done a great job in eliciting the requirements or identifying what the scope truly is. And because of that, it can result in later out finding that you missed some important requirements. The way to manage that is to, first of all, ensure that you are taking the proper steps to gather those requirements so that you can avoid it. However, if it does occur that there is scope creep, then managing it efficiently by, for instance, if you need more time or if you need more budget, working with your PM and your team to allow that to happen. But normally what happens is you don't want to deter from the budget, especially if it's something that you've missed. So making sure that you are managing it by hiring more people, or maybe utilizing the same team to work on those additional requirements.
Okay. Okay. And what is the difference between a workshop session and the JAD session?
So a workshop session is when you usually meet with users of an application, end users, or those are the main focus in those sessions, because you're trying to gather more details as to what they expect from a particular application, whereas JAD sessions are normally used where you want your technical teams, your project managers, and your stakeholders to be involved. And that's to gather more understanding from the technical aspect. If there are any parking lots, those are managed at the end of the meeting. And if not in the same meeting, those are addressed later on.
Okay.